The northern route is too congested with the new runway placement.
Reroute the heavy vehicles through the eastern access road. It saves significant space.
That aligns with the reclamation schedule.
Okay, mark it there.
The next point is just past the ravine. Look at this reading from the penetrometer. The sand layer is deeper than expected here.
Yes, but the CPT correlations show good density below 2 meters.
The clay content here is much higher than anticipated at this depth.
Yes, the shear strength readings confirm that. We need to adjust the bearing capacity calculations.
Keep pushing that dirt to the left. We need this section level by noon. Check the grade right there, D.
The schematic says we are still low.
I'll bring the tamper over. Watch the cables. Bring it down slowly on the left side. Easy now, easy. All right, bring her down easy. Watch the alignment on the far side. Set it down slow. All right, bring it back further. Okay, dump the load right there. Clear the area.
Check the grade right here. It's exactly where it needs to be. Keep moving. Keep it steady right there.
All right, holding the line.
Ensure the alignment on these facilities is precise before the inspection.
We are on schedule. The installation is almost complete.
Installation complete on the primary console.
Verified. We are operational and fully calibrated.
The waveform is stabilizing at 2.8 gigahertz.
Noted. The system is calibrated.
All right, team, clear the trench. Powering up the next section now. Looks good from here. Keep it moving.
Watch the clearance on the south side.
Holding steady, lowering now.
The localizer is locking in now.
Confirmed on the tablet. All systems showing green for guidance.
Touchdown looked good from here.
Copy that. Braking action appears sufficient.
The reading here is 4 millimeters wide.
Okay, noted. I've marked the full length on the diagram.
If we look at the arrival rate projections here, we're exceeding the threshold.
Right, but the weather impact model suggests an opening in the next 10 minutes.
Más a la derecha, Carlos. Sigue así. Camión, reversa. Cuidado atrás.
Check the alignment on Sector 4.
Looks stable.
Powering up the main console now.
Get that equipment clear of the taxiway now.
Roger that. Moving to Zone 3.
It feels like we've been waiting here forever, doesn't it?
Absolutely, but the coffee here is surprisingly good.
Here is your boarding pass, sir. The gate is 52. Have a good flight.
Thank you.
Now pre-boarding military personnel and families with young children.
Keep it coming slow. A little to the right. To the right. Right there. Set the locks.
Make sure the sealant cures properly on that section. And double-check the wiring schematic before finalizing the connection.
Welcome aboard. You can head straight down the jet bridge.
This is amazing. I can't wait to see the beach.
Heads up, storm front accelerating in Sector 7.
Roger that. Rerouting traffic, flight path adjusted to 090.
Localizer alignment is stable. Checkpoint 45 confirmed.
Confirmed on the checklist. Moving to the next sequence.
Sir. From these untouched shores, a vision took flight. In record time, this remote island became the center.
We've reached the limit on gauge 4.
Acknowledged. Closing the valve.
Reroute the baggage system through Module 4. It maximizes space efficiency.
Acknowledged. Monitoring the data flow now.
System update complete. Congestion cleared.
Flight 552 requires immediate diversion due to weather over the island.
Confirmed. Rerouting to Shiraz. Advise the captain.
This 3-kilometer runway is a marvel of airport engineering, designed specifically to handle the largest aircraft.
A monumental achievement in coastal engineering, transforming this remote island into a hub for global travel.